Here's a look at what you'll be doing the rest of the week in English class. First of all, hopefully you did watch Miss Hiltunen's tutorial for the week. She's going to go through each slide in the video. You should have already watched the video, but here it is. And she says she must watch because she wants to go through the important parts of the presentation of the slides that you're making. Please open that and watch. It's like 4 minutes long, I think. Okay, just to rehash here on slide 1, you will delete this text and put your person in there and then put your name right here. Hi guys. You should already be done with slide 2. You put your name here and then have 2 to 3 sentences explaining why you chose to research that person. Please use capitals, periods, complete sentences. So that was all Monday and Tuesday's work. Looking at Wednesday, you should complete slides 3 and 4. You should be using your websites that you linked into slide 8 to find your information. First of all, you want to type in the claim to fame, 2 to 3 sentences below. What do we already know about your honorable person and why is that person famous? And then you want to research professional accomplishments. What are some professional accomplishments? Did they win any prizes, awards? Did they write any novels? What else did they do? What kind of speeches did they give? So professional accomplishments goes in the second column. For slide 4, the early life. When and where were they born? And tell us a couple of things about their childhood and their upbringing. Remember, the details should include things that led to their contributions, and all of this information should be from your research articles. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's done. For Thursday, you're completing slides 5 and 6. Let's take a look at those. For this slide, you're looking at honorable work. What have they done to be honorable? And this should be separated from your previous information. So what have they done that's honorable? Come up with some other works or things that they have accomplished. Then find a quote. So you would delete all of this and insert your quote here. There's a lot of famous quotes from all of the people that we've given you to choose from. So find a quote and use your quotation marks when you're filling out this slide. Okay, so all of this should be done and you've made it to Friday. And this is when you'll submit it too. So you're going to do slides 7 and 9. Remember, you already did slide 8 back on Tuesday. Adjust slide 8 if you need to. So here's where you're going to do a bit of writing. So now think about your honorable person. In what ways can we apply their work and their mentality to our own lives? So how can what they've done influence us in our lives? An example would be, so here's your topic. Anne Frank's life can apply to my life, or you would put in, whoever your research is on. First, she kept a diary of daily events. I could do the same thing to look back on and reflect about my life. Next, she saw things in a positive light. She was hopeful and believed that people were generally good at heart. Finally, she was thoughtful. She had Hanukkah gifts for everyone, and she thought of everyone's needs in front of her own. All of these things are things that I could do in my life as well. Anne lived her life with a positive outlook, and so could I. So come up with something that your person did and try to relate it to your own life. Your resources should all be here. You either list them here or here. Either way, we won't be too picky about that. They should be linked, though, so that we could click them and go right to your websites that you used. Then I believe we're going to add a picture slide for extra credit. So check the updates, but you should collect a bunch of pictures of your person and either put them here or add another slide. And I think that Miss Hilton is going to offer us some bonus points for our collection of pictures.